Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can edit or delete your wallet on the one password website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website of the one password, and after that we have to create our wallet. And after the creation of wallet, if you want to edit that or if you want to delete that, you can also do that. So let's get started and let's see how we can do that. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the wallet, and after that, as you can see, it has an option for edit details. So we have to click on edit details. Now, if you want to change your icon, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to choose this one. If you want to change your name or if you want to change your description, after doing these all things, you have to click on the save. And after clicking on the save, it will be saved. So in this way, you can edit the details. And after that, if you want to delete this, so as you can see, failed to save details. Let's click on the close. If you want to delete this, what we have to do, we have to click on the more actions option. So let's click on the more actions. And after clicking on the more actions option, has an option for the delete valid. If you want to delete this, you have to click on this and it will be automatically deleted. So in this way, you can edit the details and delete your wallet of your one passwords website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.